Ain't no fucking way I'm going back. Got way too much shit to take care of. And I'm having way too much fun pissing y'all off. It's starting to look real rough out here for y'all. It's just the beginning too. Yeah, come on, come on. I ain't going back, Splitting 5 and make doubles. I ain't going back, To when there was no rush, just rustle. I ain't going back, To when my pride so much let the puddle. I ain't going back, But I stay tapped into that hustle. I ain't going back, Splitting 5 and make doubles. I ain't going back, To when there was no rush, just rustle. I ain't going back, To when my pride so much let the puddle. I ain't going back, But I stay tapped into that hustle. I go way harder than most of y'all. If one of y'all die, wouldn't toast to y'all. I don't really care to get close to y'all. I live in the gym, I'm supposed to ball. Mom was applying for the food stamps. Every night studio boot camps. All I had then was a lot of free time. She grinding my mind in my 2 hands. And the same confidence that I have right now was more back then, to be honest.